Hi guys, it's Colette, and I'm sorry, but as you see, I don't have any nail art for you today. My nails are nearly naked with just a clear coat on them, but I do have a decently sized Colors by Llarowe haul that I'm going to be showing you. And I'm going to start out with kind of the outliers, and then I'm going to get to the collection that I purchased. There are always some polishes, almost always some polishes on sale, so I usually check that when I make my purchase. And one of those this time was Fire Down Below from the summer 2016 collection, which is kind of a neutral shade, but it's got a lot of holographic shimmer and like a pink undertone to it. So not your average neutral polish. I also picked up on sale Dirty Diana, which is kind of a fuchsia hollow. And I know I'm getting a lot of reflections here. I have a new light setup that I do not have set up yet, so hopefully I'll get that soon for you guys. Also on sale, I picked up Bam, which looks pretty green, but if I actually had a green handy to compare it to, it's leaning more toward teal. Also with a very strong hollow. And then the February polish of the month is What's Love Got to Do With It, which is a red hollow. The rest of these are all from the Mild and Wild collection. And the first one I'm going to show you is Snakeskin Boots, which is like a really deep, dark, kind of bronzy color with also some flashes of duochrome. And also just take this moment to mention, if you're waiting for swatches, I'm sorry, this is just a haul video. I have some upcoming plans for swatches, but I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video. The next one from the collection is Burning Down the House, and this is kind of a mauve hollow. Then we have a flaky. This is called On the Prowl, and I've seen some pictures of this layered over other polishes and just by itself with multiple layers, and it's very, very pretty both ways. I think it would go great with like these next 3 or 4 colors. We have Sugar and Spice, which is a lavender with a kind of pink shimmer to it. And then, very similar, we have Tease, which is a slightly deeper lavender, and it's just a cream. It doesn't really have any shimmer to it, so you can kind of see the difference between those and how well this one would go with it. A little bit darker of a purple is Dainty. This also has some duochrome to it and kind of a blue-leaning purple, or blurple, if you will. And it does have, like I said, a duochrome to it also. I like that one a lot. I hope this one comes across on camera. It's very, very dark, and it may appear to be black, but this is actually a very, very, very dark teal. And I'm trying to remember here, do I have a piece of paper handy? Maybe if I get it on the brush here, you can see a little bit. It's got a little bit of a jelly finish. It's not just a cream, but it's very, very dark. I really like it a lot. You guys may or may not have realized that I usually lean toward darker colors over lighter colors. And then the final one from the collection is 80 Degrees. And at some angles it looks blue, at some angles it looks purple or lavender. At all angles it looks holographic, and yeah, that's really it. I really feel like I have to apologize to you guys, even though you're always very understanding for not having a lot of tutorials so far this year. As you can probably hear from my voice, I am still getting over this cold. This has been a very long cold. I'm still calling it a cold. My mom thinks that I had a very low-level version of the flu, but I really do feel like I'm at the end of it, And although I've really been exhausted and achy, I've been trying to spend my time organizing my stash in preparation for Water Marble March. The past couple years, I haven't done as many marbles as I would like to, and so I'm really going to do my best this year to do a ton of water marbles next month. Not every day, so don't get your hopes too much up for that, but I will also have, in between the tutorials, the behind-the-scenes videos that I started last year. So you'll be able to see my testing process and, as the name implies, behind the scenes, what I do to get ready for a tutorial, how I pick my polishes and how I test them, all those things that, you know, lead up to the manicure and hopefully are educational for you guys. So I guess that's all. I do plan on a couple more manicures before the end of February, but so far my plans this month have not worked out. You know, Valentine's Day is never my favorite holiday, but I planned on doing 3 designs and I only got around to 1. One of the other designs didn't work out how I'd planned, and the other one I just ran out of time to do. So I'm sorry that I'm full of excuses, but I appreciate you guys sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and as far as swatches, I would like to swatch these eventually. I have swatch sticks to swatch them, but there are a few other organizational things with my stash that need to happen first. I have a lot of my nail polish right now stored in shoe boxes, but I have purchased Helmers longer ago than I would like to admit that I need to get put together, and hopefully once my stash is more organized, everything will be easier. And I may do some videos on my stash when it gets to be that time also. So something to look forward to, hopefully soon, but I'm not going to promise any dates because that might be a disaster. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video. Stay tuned for Water Marble March. It's coming soon. Turn on your notifications. I'm really excited about it this year. And as always, thanks for watching.